Welcome to Sunmoto's quick guide to our MRB metal roof attachment. As you can see, it comes fully assembled right out of the box with no need to connect anything. The MRB also includes all the screws you'll need for installation. Now let's go check out some roofs. First, let's take a tour of the MRB to see how adjustable it is and how easy it is to use. On the sides, you'll notice the wings that rotate like hinges. Secondly, just loosen the single bolt on the MRB slightly, and you can effortlessly slide the wings in and out to accommodate different roofs. Next, we'll take a look at the bottom. Here you will find the gasket with a peel-off strip featuring adhesive, making installation a breeze and ensuring it sticks securely to the roof. The wings have 4 locations for screws to secure them to the roof. The included screws feature sealing washers that ensure a watertight seal where they meet the wing. These are self-tapping screws, so there's no need for a pilot hole. They go straight into the metal roof. All the test data is based on the strength of the screws connecting to the sheet metal roof. And if there's wood underneath the sheet metal, it makes the connection even stronger. Also, the L-foot is rotatable, providing flexibility during installation. You can leave it in this orientation to position the rail east-west on the roof, or rotate it like this to align the rail north-south. Let's take a look at trapezoid or R-panel type roofs. Start by pulling off the liners to expose the adhesive. The adhesive allows the wings to stick securely to the ridge. Adjust the wings until they are the right width. Once it's in position and the L-foot is facing in the right direction, it locks into place. Finally, drive in the 4 self-tapping screws and you're done. For flat metal roof, the steps are the same. Expose the adhesive and stick it to the roof. Tighten the center screw to secure it in place. Drill the self-tapping screws into the 4 holes to secure the MRB. Now let's look at corrugated roofs. It's the exact same screw and MRB as for trapezoidal or R-panel roofs, and it works just as well. Loosen the metal screw to adjust the wings to fit the roof, peel off the liners to reveal the adhesive, and stick it down. Tighten the center screw with the L-foot facing the right direction and drill the 4 self-tapping screws into the holes. Now that your MRB is in place, attach the L-foot adapter, allowing for rail connection. Thanks for watching. You can learn more at sunmoto.com/MRB.